In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use SurveyMonkey logic. SurveyMonkey is a versatile tool that lets you create customized surveys for a variety of purposes. It's especially powerful thanks to its logic features, which allow you to tailor the survey experience based on how respondents answer certain questions. This can make your surveys much more relevant and engaging for your audience. To get started, you need to first log into your SurveyMonkey account. Head over to the SurveyMonkey website, click on the login button and choose the option to sign in with Google. Select your account to proceed. If you don't have a SurveyMonkey account yet, you'll need to sign up for one. Remember, the logic features we're discussing today are available for accounts with subscriptions, so make sure your account has the necessary access. Once you're logged in, navigate to the home page and look for the Projects section. This area is where all your surveys live. To find the survey you want to apply logic to, simply browse through your projects. After locating your survey, click on the three dots icon associated with it. This menu is your gateway to many actions related to your survey. From the options presented, select Edit Survey. This choice is crucial because it takes you into the editing mode where you can adjust questions, add new ones, or importantly, set up logic paths. Now for the exciting part, setting up the logic. Inside the edit mode, you'll want to look for the Logic button. This is where SurveyMonkey's true power shines through. The logic feature allows you to direct respondents to different sections or even specific questions based on their answers to multiple choice questions. It's a fantastic way to make your survey dynamic and react in real time to the input your respondents provide. However, there's an important note to keep in mind. The logic feature is only available to those with subscription-based accounts. If you're really looking to leverage SurveyMonkey to its fullest, ensuring you have access to these advanced features is key. They can significantly enhance the quality and relevance of your data by tailoring the survey journey according to individual responses. Utilizing logic in your surveys opens up endless possibilities. For example, you can route respondents who express a particular preference or opinion directly to questions that delve deeper into their views. Conversely, you can skip sections that might not be relevant to them based on their previous answers. This not only keeps your survey focused, but also respects the respondent's time by not asking irrelevant questions. In summary, using SurveyMonkey's logic feature can transform a static survey into an interactive and engaging experience for your respondents. By following the steps I've outlined, logging in, navigating to your desired survey, entering edit mode, and finally setting up logic, you can create surveys that are not only more relevant but potentially yield more insightful data. With SurveyMonkey's logic, your surveys can smartly adapt to each respondent, providing you with richer, more nuanced insights. So, take advantage of this powerful feature and watch your survey game elevate to the next level.